What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Grim. And pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung PBA Draft What Ifs. So there are 5 players na notable na hindi nag-declare for this PBA draft. At ang gagawin natin, pag-usapan natin yung player and then we're gonna see and agree siguro kung saan sila mag-end up sa first round. Kunyari, this player A would have been a first pick ba, fifth pick, 10th pick. So, ganoon natin gagawin. So, una natin pag-uusapan no, is Clint Escamis. Team captain of the Mapua Cardinals, a finals MVP, has done it all, I would say, in the NCAA. He could have realistically left kasi nag-champion eh. For me, that's how you cap off your college career. But according to what he said, na he wants to make out of the most of college. I mean, it only happens once in a lifetime. So we respect Clint Escamis' decision, and he's gonna be a thorn definitely for those competing in NCAA season 101.
I mean,
Nico
will he
just
really be
no,
boring?
Mario. Nico just forgot to say na recently inducted sa Pinoy Liga Cup Hall of Fame. Clint Escames. Hey, hey,
Hey man,
hey.
shout out,
Dude,
shout out.
I don't even think he's gonna be a thorn on the side of in the NCAA because have you seen their bracket?
Okay.
Have
Well.
you seen, have you seen their bracket?
Kung sino man nakaisip ng bracket na ganun, ano naman.
Come on now. Come on now. That's a
You have a
gift
spot
keeping
in the
hand.
DPWH.
Yeah. Yeah, it was fun. You're on the
Sensitive
list.
topic yan yan.
You're on the list
Sensitive
now.
topic yan yan.
Long play. Let's talk about it.
You know how to
Anyway,
mess things up.
But yeah, dude. Clint, I think if he declared for the draft, probably goes.
yeah, where do you let's start off that way. If this person declared for the draft, where will Escamis end up? Top of your head.
Third, second or third?
Second or third?
Yes, second or
Grim.
third.
I have him fourth next to
Fourth.
to actually, you know what?
You see
Probably
Northport
fifth.
getting him.
No, probably fifth
And
kasi
like, oh, actually, Bolik and Escamis.
kasi
Pero you
'di
think
ba
Escamis
I
will
had
drop
si
to Enlex?
I had I had si Gozum, which by the way got a lot of flack for saying na it's not gonna be Gio Chu for Phoenix. So probably they'll go with Gio Chu and then Brickman and then Gozum and then him,
Bro,
depending on the needs.
for the people who are saying that Phoenix needs a big, yes, we know Phoenix needs a big, but they also need a point guard. Two things can be true at the same time, man.
Yeah.
And outside of Gio Chu, who's the next best big? I know Graham has the answer. Graham has the answer for sure of who the next best big is. And guys, I don't think people realize Kai Balunga is 6'7".
He is
He's
6'7".
not as short as people think. It just so happens na last year they were playing him at that 3 or 4 position for some reason. Which he should
Yeah.
that's his natural position. Pero in the PBA, he has the height for 7 feet. But I do understand why people say na kailangan si Gio Chu. I agree. But you have so many needs you need to fill sa Phoenix team na yan.
Mm.
Jason Brickman doesn't solve their problems and neither does Gio Chu. They just part of the puzzle. You know what I mean? That's all I'm trying to say. And again, going back to the Clint Escamis thing,
Yeah.
well, Nico, where did you have it? I kind of
I think I will have Clint in the top four. Top four sa akin
top
si
four.
Clint. Top four.
Top four. Okay.
So
Hindi siya lulusot past Northport.
who
I
are you
don't think he's
kicking
I don't think he's better
out?
than
Will
one.
Gozum?
2 to 4 pala, I'm sorry. 2 to 4 because he's not
Yeah,
better than one. He's two to
he's not
four.
better
Yeah,
than
he's
one.
not nobody's better than one. So
Hey, according to the
Two.
comment section,
Only
Chris
two is
Miller.
better than one.
hey, Chris Miller pump the brakes.
Chris
Chris
Miller is
Miller,
According,
better
you
than
better
one.
check out that guy.
according to everybody in the world, Chris Miller is better than one. I'm waiting to see. I'm waiting to see,
Oh,
man.
wait. We can just give a shout out to Cole Michek. Apparently, he watches the pod. That was so random, but
Hey,
Hey,
shout
Cole
out
Mitchell,
thanks
Cole.
for
shout out,
watching.
man.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, shout out, brother. And remember who
If
believed in you. It wasn't the guy up there. It wasn't the guy down here. It's the guy right here.
Oh yeah, for
if
sure. Like
if
I
if
gotta give the
you
credit to Mario. It was Mario who believed in you,
if
for sure.
Mario ends up being right, brother, you got a fan in me. It's just not now, okay? Call me
Just
check.
not
Not
now.
just not
Hindi pa
now.
official eh.
I'm
Hindi
holding
pa
you.
official eh.
Yeah,
But
and that's if you get drafted to the team I said. But
who goes out the top four for you, Nico? Alam ko
Um,
na. Si Chris Kun. Kaya
Chris
ko,
Kuhn will have to slide down. He would have to slide down.
si
Does he
Gio Chu
slide
will
down? Does he slide down to fifth, or is fifth still Giochu?
Fifth is still Gio Chu.
Fifth is still Giochu.
God,
Kala ko kasi.
Okay.
got it.
At may
Just
mga
defense ko
agendas
lang.
tayo. May mga agendas tayo, boys.
Making sure, man. Just making sure. Thought we were on the wrong. I thought we were on the wrong train
Wait,
there.
That
Graham, did you give
happens
your
though.
which
Oh,
one?
I
Yeah,
have
of course
him.
it happens. Yung the player slides down just because of, 'di ba, one team.
No, I'm just
Oh
saying
yeah.
na if that happens, if Gio Chu miraculously falls into NLEX, they'll have the greatest collection of big men in the PBA right now outside of Junmar.
Tama. Tama,
Yeah.
tama.
Di ba?
Giochu and Brandon Ramirez. Oh my God.
Oo. Di ba? It's like, when Smush Parker and Kobe combined for 82 points.
Exactly.
And,
Exactly.
and Kobe had 81.
Go
Hey,
with
hey,
81
hey,
of it.
hey, we don't need Brandon Ramirez slander here.
Oh, now that we're talking about NLEX, ayaw mo na.
No, I said top five.
Masyado,
He's gonna
sumobra
fall
na sa
into fifth.
overtime eh. Yung NLEX talk. 2
He's
minutes lang
certainly
yung
above
allotted eh.
he's certainly above LJ. He's
I think he's above LJ, yeah.
he's above LJ, he's above Chris Kuhn. So that's it. He's in that pecking order, diba? One is on the tier by himself, and then Rumble naman, Brickman and Shu interchangeable, and then Gozumin and Escamis next tier.
Although, Graham, I would have Escamis as the best perimeter defender sa class na to if he declared. He is the best defender out of everyone.
Clint?
Clint. Clint is known for being a
He-
perimeter defender. He started off as that guy.
I respect it naman.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a
Next
good-
guy.
he's a good one.
Boys, anything else on Clint Escamis? I think we have
I mean, we can just talk about him in general, guys. The reason why he'd go high is because Clint is probably the best player in the NCAA up until now. I would say Clint is number one. Even in college basketball, he may be second, third
what's the top
amongst
3?
guards. Yeah, top three si Clint Escamus in terms of guards. And
Mhm.
he's pretty. How tall is Clint for? How tall is
6'6" Clint Escamis. Clint
I don't trust
Escamis
you
height.
anymore, Nico. Last time you said Ben Adamos is 6'3", so
He's 5'11". 5'11" according to Wikipedia.
Lit naman ni Clint?
5'11".
lit. Parang hindi siya ganun kalit, Nico, no?
Susundan ko lang yung website. Baka mali na naman ako eh.
He gives you 6-footer vibes.
He
Probably
does.
the looks.
With
though.
shoes.
He is 5'11". He is
He is
5'11".
5'11". That's with shoes. Like, try mo lagyan ng shoes. They
I'm
6.
5'11".
It's
Why
probably
not
the
just
looks that
Clint
makes him
Escamus?
Alam mo,
taller.
Mario, there are a lot of players you could be if you took basketball seriously.
True, guys. I could have been yeah, that's all I'm saying.
You
I
could
wouldn't
have.
be on the spot, guys. I wouldn't be on the spot. But yeah,
Yeah.
Clint, great shot creator, great shooter,
Mm.
drives him well for his size, very good at penetrating the paint. And you always see that guy na walang takot
High
kahit
IQ.
saan. High IQ, very. Diba? So, he's a very high pick for me. Not at the level of Juan because everybody seems to be underrating Juan right now. Um, Not at the level of he could be depending on what your team needs. He could be picked over Gio, but then between him and Will Gozum, it's really up to you which again you need. Pero between him, Brickman, LJ, Chris, I think Clint is better than them.
Yeah.
Mm.
As long as NLEX gets Gio, then we're good.
As
Yeah.
long as the NLEX gets Jiuchu, then I'll call it a day. Next up, Remy Martin. Remy Martin, a NCAA Div 1 talent. More of a scorer than a facilitator, but that will definitely translate in the PBA considering he's a top tier talent as well if he declared. Where will he
What's his
be?
height?
For me, it's 2 to 5, 2 to 6. It depends. He could fall to 6. It depends on who needs
Hey,
who.
don't you think?
He could be the second pick. He could be the second
Don't
pick.
you think it could be the top overall pick
No, I still
ahead
have.
of one?
Ganun ba ako ka believer kay Juan?
Hey.
I don't know, but he could. Okay, fine. He could give teams some thought na okay, let's discuss this maybe for an hour or two extra. One, Remy, for sure there's gonna be discussions. Okay, sino mas fit. Um, daming factors. Pero pag-iisipan nila yan for sure. Hindi yung parang Clint Escamis or Juan. That one will not even be
That one
discussed.
wala yun eh.
Pero yung
Oo.
Remy Martin, tama ka. Pag-iisipan nila yun for sure. And siguro, how long can you commit to as Remy Martin? Di ba mga ganun eh. You have to think
Yeah.
about how long, di ba? Kasi a talent like him could
Division 1, di ba?
could have
Division
Division
1.
1. Si Remy
NCAA
Martin.
talent that really comes to to the PBA draft, 'di ba? So that's what I'm saying na
That's
parang si
Kansas
Remy Martin,
Jayhawks.
'di ba?
Remy
Kansas,
Martin.
and he also played for Arizona State. So yung mga
2022
he played,
champion, by the way. 2022
yeah,
NCAA
that's right.
champion in the
And
US.
and
So,
and heading in, for example, nagpa-draft siya. Is he better coming into the PBA than Mikey Williams was, or what was Stanley Pringle was? 'Di ba?
hirap niyan, bro.
Because
Medyo they're coming
those,
in different ages. Kailan ba dumating si Mikey sa ano?
yeah, yun nga, 'di ba? So matatanda na yung mga yun nung dumating, Mikey and Stanley. Remy's coming in fresh. 'Di ba? What's Remy's age? I haven't checked. He is
Get the best.
27.
Oh, he's
'Di
coming
ba?
in as a peak of his career. That is the peak of
Mhm.
NBA of basketball players. Sa PBA pa nga, you could
'Di
say
ba?
na up to 33, you could still play well. Na
And
medyo
2 years from now, Remy Martin with Coach Tim Cone and RJ Barrientos. God, that's deadly, man.
You think RJ will still be there if they got Martin? Maybe they'll try to flip RJ for someone if kinuha nila si, or you think they'll try to make it work? Scotty, Remy, RJ.
That's too much
I
cards.
Pero
that's too
yeah.
that's too many that's too many short guards. Let's make that clear.
Mm-hmm.
Not too
Mm.
many, too many short guards.
Anyway,
But yeah,
where do you have him? Top 5, top 3, top 2?
probably
He's not
top
gonna fall.
five. I would say
Top
top five.
5.
I would say top five. Kasi I agree with the comment section sometimes when they say na um
Mm.
what's this called? Guards in the PBA are kind of a dime in a dozen
Mm.
dun sa talented guard. Yung bigs talaga yung medyo iba talaga ang pwede mangyari sa'yo. And to be fair, if we base it off of current PBA talent, that's not wrong at all. Right? Junmar is at his age is still the best player in the PBA. And there are so many guards on teams who are very good. So Remy Martin is better than I think a lot of these guys. And because he is younger considerably. Pero mga top 5 siguro yun.
You're not sold on him being the top pick overall, Remy Martin?
Or
Brother,
pag-isipan mo
I
rin.
will die on this hill for Juan Gomez de Leon.
Okay, okay. Matutuwa si Javi sa'yo. Matutuwa si Javi sa'yo. Thank you, thank you.
I love that man with a burning passion, okay?
No. I
Never gets
respect that.
funny.
I'm just saying we rarely
But
see
I'll be
talagang
very real,
division.
man. I haven't really
Oh,
watched a lot of Remy Martin. Like I do not watch a lot of Remy Martin at all, if I'm being honest. So based on just because I didn't really watch anything before this, I will just say Juan talaga in general because
No, that's true.
um he's a good player who I've seen play on all levels of his career, man. I've seen him play in college. I saw him play in Marinero. I saw him play in Gilas. I saw all that. I haven't
Gilas.
seen Martin in anything else except for NCAA. But I'm not surprised if people believe na Remy's better than
Yeah,
Juan.
yeah. For sure, for sure. Yeah, hindi
Devon
mo
pa
naman
rin yun.
kukontrahin.
Yeah,
You
Devon pa rin
know,
yun, man.
Unlike yung
you know
Chris
what I'm
Miller na first pick,
surprised?
no?
You know what I'm surprised of? Mario hasn't watched a lot of Remy Martin pero napanood niya yung Nike cases.
Of course. Of course. That guy.
No,
Asian
again,
time
man.
zone eh. Asian time
My
zone yung
favorite,
pina-follow niya.
my
Like
favorite
Aces eh.
quote right now is two things can be true.
Wait, sorry. Who's in Nike Aces? Was it James Martinez or Marcy
No, no,
Arellano? It's James
Marcy
Marcy
Martinez, right?
Arellano.
Marcial.
Marcy
Yeah,
or
Marcy.
James?
Marcy.
Oh, okay.
And they're
that
they're a good team, guys. I don't know what
that
to.
gets me every time. The Nike
Question,
cases
saan good?
beating
Where
the
were they
black
good at?
players.
They're good at making me happy.
Okay, okay.
You got it.
Are we
Got
good
it.
with Remy Martin? Are we good with I think that's with Remy,
I
no?
want to give more input, but I haven't really watched the
It's
guy.
okay.
So,
Ako
um,
highlights rin ako kay Remy Martin. I
Same,
would say I
same.
watched them on YouTube a lot of times already because of course sabi ko, "Uy,
But
Pinoy."
oh,
No,
'di ba?
no. And I watched
Same
the
ako, Nico.
NCAA Div 1. I like NCAA Div 1.
Same
why
ako,
do you
Nico,
like
but
NCAA Div
the
1?
the the well,
Wala, gusto ko
you
lang. Wala
just
akong
like why
agenda
we
katulad mo.
just like why we love the NFL. But the only the only caveat is pag pinanood mo siya doon, he's already good. Eh, itapat mo pa sa Pilipino 'yan, 'di ba? Then
Yeah,
what's
I
the
get
point?
that. I get where you're coming from in that one, not gonna lie. So, I see why
Top 3, I guess. Top 3.
yeah, top three, top five for
Probably
me.
better than Brickman.
Probably. I do
Oh
think
yeah,
he
yeah,
is.
for sure. And
Okay,
Brickman's
then he's
old.
top 3.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then he's top 3.
Yeah. Um, let's move on. 2, Kobe Paras. This one's tricky. Kobe Paras. 3-2-6, 2-6. Kobe Paras.
Kobe
Three to
Paras. Yeah.
six. He's 3-6 for me. Kobe Paras 3-6.
5 to 10.
A a specimen still though. Like let's put him in a vacuum, no? Remove muna natin lahat nangyari sa kanya outside the basketball court. If we just keep it
Mm-hmm.
purely basketball. 6'5", 6'6", was a Gilas player, athletic as he can be. Nasayang lang yung career in the US. Maybe he could have stick it out there, and, diba? Like, just go through the motion. But I don't know who was his agent, sino na-convince sa kanya, balik ka na lang dito. But you still cannot, gaya na sabi ni na Mario and Graham, you cannot teach height, you cannot teach that kind of athleticism that he has. And in the PBA, that's the kind of talent na pwede mo bigay sa kanya yung bola, no? In crunch time. Or you could give it to him when you need a bucket. Not sure kung ganun ba iniisip nyo kay Kobe Paras. But those are some of the things I see online na how they view Kobe. For me, he's a second option at best. I don't think he's a first option.
I don't think he's the
That's
first.
why for me, he's 3-6. For me, he's 3-6. Hindi
I
siya
think
mag
he's 5 to 10.
5-10 for you. Okay.
I think he's 5 to 10, man. Juan,
Brother,
I think
nahiya ka pa. Hindi mo pa dinala sa 11.
Oh, I don't think he will be a good
tayo.
fit kay Coach Tim. Feel ko
Nagkaganyan na
mainis si
tayo. May
Coach Tim.
Jamie Malonzo tayo. Anyari sa kanila.
Okay.
Oh, di ba pinadala?
For some reason, I don't believe Kobe would fit well with Coach Tim. For some reason, I don't know.
Because Kobe doesn't know how to pass. But like, I say 5 to 10 because I don't think he's pang first option yet. Or maybe again, here's another one of those guys that we haven't seen in so long play
In a
basketball.
while, yeah. Japan yung last, di ba? B2?
Paano yung last niya sa Altiri and when I
Ba't mo alam?
watched games, huh? Wala
Ba't mo
lang.
alam?
Dude, I'm a big fan of Filipino talent across the
Oo.
Oh,
Yeah.
God.
Tama nga naman, Mario is a big fan of Filipino talent. Yeah. Go. Sorry for interrupting, boss.
Kaya naman eh. You know, guys, I feel like he's a 5 to 10 because actually pwede ngang 4 to 10. Maybe 4 to 10. Honestly, Nico, dapat NLEX yan eh, if I'm being honest with you.
Parang,
I like him
that's,
on NLEX, man.
I think
That's
you
Red
think
Bull.
he could,
That's
play
Polly
second to
on
Bolik.
drugs,
Hindi naman niya
brother.
pipilitin.
Diga. Oh, well, man, that's the thing with Kobe eh. When he was in Altiri, his jumper improved. Obviously, Japan
Okay.
yun. Pero when he was in UP, sorry.
Oo.
Good luck stopping him from getting to the rim, di ba?
Yeah.
The only people that could stop him were Ange Kwame and Isaac Go. For some reason, which I can't really explain how Isaac Go was able to.
Coach Tab knows
He's
how
due
to
for a
stop
comeback.
people.
He's due for a comeback.
Is he due for a comeback?
May news na ba?
Yeah.
Is he due for a
He's
comeback?
grateful for the money.
Shit.
That's the last news I heard.
Hey man, let's get George here in this podcast, bro, and then
But yeah, I think 5 to 10.
oh,
I think 5 to 8 maybe. 5 to 8 probably. If
Yeah.
I'm
5
Let
to
me just
8.
pull up the let
So
me pull
in
up
the 5 to
the
8, let me share it to the guys. NLEX, Magnolia, Meralco, Converge.
Uy, pwede
No.
sa Meralco ah. Pwede sa Meralco.
Oh, I don't think Coach
Pwede
Nenad
rin.
would. You
Honestly,
think Coach
man,
Nenad? You think Coach Nenad and Coach Luigi would take a flyer on him?
it's not really a flyer. He's a proven guy, man. He just
Yeah.
hasn't
I
been
mean,
playing in
like,
a while.
I don't know with how Meralco is.
Dude, if they can draft,
They
if they
also
can
have their
draft
system,
CJ
eh.
Cancino, they can draft Kobe Paras. If they can draft CJ, they can
Pag
draft.
nabigay sa kanila, if the options there,
Sure.
they'll take him. Okay.
Pero maybe the best fit for him there might be Converge. I think the best fit
Hirap
for
sa
there
gulo ngayon sa Converge, di ba? Parang, pero buti na sign
Oo
si
nga.
Shawnee. Like, good for you, man. Like, I'm glad that he's in
Kasi
charge.
I think yung sa Converge is wala silang wing na talagang explosive kasi si Arana and Balti. Even if Balti's a good player, di naman siya super explosive eh. 'Di ba? But Kobe is quite explosive or the last time we saw him. So, I think yun nga, that's the range. 5 to 8 in that range talaga. Yung problem lang with Kobe is he has the same problem as so many other young or at the time is pag feel niya sarili niya, good luck pa.
Mm-mm.
Michael Porter Jr. yan, man.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Good luck, man.
That makes sense though.
Kailangan,
Pag umabot siya sa point na na feel niya yung sarili niya.
yeah.
And for a basketball player, that's good. Pero you
Yeah,
gotta,
that's
kailan mo
normal.
timplahin yun eh. Di
Yeah.
ba? Timpla yun eh.
To be fair, guys, the
But
only
there's named
reason,
Kobe for a reason.
the only
Exactly.
reason I will say that Kobe Paras did not go straight into the PBA was because of Renzo Subido. That's what I'm gonna say on that one, man.
Yeah.
Renzo Subido did not make that shot. Kobe
Si
Paras
Renzo
would
ba ngayon
be
nasa MPBL?
yeah, he is. Sa naman night ata.
Yes. Mm.
Uh, if Renzo Subido doesn't make that shot against UP, I truly believe we would have seen a lot more Kobe Paras than what we've seen in recent years.
Yung ba yung last playing year niya? Yung,
Pinili
yung tira ni
pinili niya
Sabido?
umalis. He chose to go to Japan.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Because if that's his last playing year and that's his last game, remember yung dunk niya nun sa baseline nung
Yeah,
laban na
that's
yun against
why.
UST?
Yeah.
Grabe yun, di ba? To put him
That
up
was on
court.
Renz. That was on Renz, yeah. That was on
Oo, di ba?
Yeah.
So, who by the way also skipped the draft, si Renz. But if that's your
Yung
lasting
ibang case
memory
na
of
yun,
him,
pare.
oh,
Iba.
I know.
It's
It's
okay. He has a career naman. I mean, he has a
yeah.
contract na pala in Korea.
Hey, but
Diba?
nakita nyo ba yung ano? I think it's I don't know if that's if that's AI generated or true. Yung sabi ni Kobe, para sayang magpapadraft pa naman sana ako when the PB announced
No, I
the
think that's a tweet. That was a
3-year
tweet or comment kay Hoop Junkie. No,
or
no,
comment.
that was a comment lang kay Hoop Junkie. I feel
Oo.
like he
'Di
was
ba?
playing.
Parang
I don't know, baka 50-50. I
yeah,
don't
'di
know.
ba kasi
He
kung totoo
could have
'yun,
been.
it's like the PBA para siyang yung high school crush mo and then ang ganda-ganda niya dati, 'di ba? Tapos biglang something happen, nasira yung buhay niya. And then biglang nag-reach out sa iyo, "Hey, actually, you know what? I
Ano
like
to,
you.
huling El
Uh,
Bimbo?
That's
we can be
the
together,
Bar Boys.
but you
Bar
can hindi
Boys.
ka pwedeng
Bar Boys.
yeah, 'di ba?
Bar Boys.
'Di ba? We can be together pero hindi ka pwedeng lumabas ng bahay for the next 3 years kasi baka
Oh,
matempt ka sa iba eh. That's what the PBA is doing and they're
where are we
driving
going?
away people. No, I'm saying na
I
the
got what he
PBA,
said. I got
the
what he
PBA.
said.
Parang hey, you're confined with me for the next 3 years because I'm your high school crush. Now I want to be with you. 'Di ba? The PBA, I used to be great. Now I want you to play in the league. Pero hindi ka pwedeng lumabas for the next 3 years. I won't like that, if I'm a player. And if
It gives
what
me Norbit vibes. You guys ever watch Norbit?
I don't.
Yung, you guys ever watch
no,
Norbit? No.
watch Slam Dunk first, Mario, before you
Okay,
Oo
recommend
okay.
nga,
anything.
maglaro ka muna ng slam dunk bago ka mag-recommend.
But 'di ba, brother, parang if totoo man yun, if yun yung naging reason ni Kobe, then that hurts because he actually, you know what, he would have been the perfect Jamie Malone's replacement, if I'm being honest with you.
Yeah.
Position-wise, skills-wise,
But here's the
he would
thing,
have been.
Here's the thing. I'm a Ginebra fan at heart, and everybody knows that. But everybody can look like that. But when they put in Coach Tim's system, doesn't
Wala na.
matter if you can. It
Wala
doesn't
na.
matter what you can do, brother. You're swinging that ball to Japet Aguilar in the post. Like it doesn't.
So, wait the ball to Japet Aguilar. What?
It doesn't matter how high flyer you are, how good of a shooter you are. If you don't mold yourself into a Coach Tim system, you won't be great. So even if he could be the Malonzo replacement, let's be real, is that a good thing for Kobe Paras? I don't think
Well,
that's a great thing for Kobe, man.
Coach Tim has picked a lot of people. But he would not have fallen to 11. Siguro he's bit... Actually, you know what? Gusto ko siya sa Blackwater but they're picking 2 and they're not gonna pick him. So, probably between the 4 to 10 range, gaya ng sinabi nyo.
Yeah.
But the fit is really questionable. This is why they need to add teams, but that's a story for another day.
I agree, though. This is the
We
thing.
need, I think that's a different podcast. I'm also down for
Oh.
new teams. I want some new teams. Kahit mga 15
Nike
muna
Aces.
tayo.
Akit na kay Nike
Oh.
Aces.
Macau Black Bears, come on, come on. There were reports na Macau Black Bears were interested, or I don't know what kind of company they were trying to bring in, pero wala. I mean,
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah.
like, that's a problem right now. I do believe that there's so much talent. Kaya nga, even if this draft,
sayang eh.
alam mo yung kahit na medyo shallow yung draft na to, ang dami pa rin masasayang na talent in
Yeah.
this draft itself. So like at this point, if you don't add teams, and I'm not saying adding teams is easy to do. Obviously, it's not easy to do. Pero it has to be something you have to look at in the aspect na how can we add all these talents without making them go abroad? Ayaw nyo silang papuntahin ng abroad. So where will they go? Di ba?
Yeah.
Like,
One last
the
thing
way,
about adding teams, brother. Adding
Mm.
teams, that's one thing. Looking for people who are interested to join the PBA with those teams, parang investors, owners, that's another thing because Tsaka if circus lang yan, SMCT MVP group every conference, then ba't ako sasali, di ba? I mean, SM seriously could have joined. Rebisco's been dominating yung volleyball scene. They could easily join. Yeah. Actually not. But yeah, there are other corporations who could be in. Yeah. But yeah, Kobe for between 4 to 10. He's not better than the guys that we talked about kanina pa.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah. Next one, CJ Lane. Unahan ko na kayo, CJ Lane, 6'10" guy. He actually was involved with the USC Growling Tigers. He was actually part of that roster last year, Mario. It was last year, no? CJ Lane, or even 2 years ago, there were reports of CJ Lane already being considered
See?
for UST, and
Yeah.
he didn't get any playing time. Not sure why. A 6'10" guy, you would think they would be able to use someone like him. Guys in the comments, let me know if you know anything, kung may injury ba nangyari kay CJ Lane, but I know that he was there in the roster. And for me, with that kind of build that you have, you should be dominating the MPBL. Hindi yung... Well, do you think he's dominating Mario to his standards? Yung nakikita mo yun sa MPBL si CJ Lane? Parang pedestrian pa nga eh. Or sakto lang eh.
Una sa lahat, is he better than Gio Chu right now?
No.
Would you pick
No, no,
him
no, no,
over
no, no,
Gio
no, no,
Chu?
no. He's a second
Okay.
rounder for me. CJ Lane's a second rounder for me.
CJ Lane's not a second rounder though. I don't think he's a second rounder. Brother, you don't teach that height in that build, man. And
Oh,
we
yeah, yeah.
will
He could replace Ladis Lepalam in my draft
yeah.
board.
He
Yeah.
he picks he gets picked over Sean and Ladis. He gets picked over
Yeah,
Sean
yeah,
and
sorry,
Ladis.
yeah. I forgot I had Ladis
Mm.
Lepalam in the first round, so I'll take CJ Lane
You
over
had
Ladis.
Ladis Lepalam in the first round and Brian.
No, nobody gave us, I don't know, S for
You deserve
Ladis.
some though.
No, pero wala. They
Yeah.
all like, yeah, Ladis. Some people even have Ladis in the top five. And I'm like, guys, you don't watch NCAA and it shows.
Yeah, man. Just because somebody is 6'10" doesn't mean that they're good at basketball. Here's the thing. I know you can't teach height, but if you see the height and it's not good, that doesn't
Mm.
mean that's different. You know what I mean?
None of
Um,
Jericho de Guzman, Mario. Yung player na Inebra dati.
sounds
O-
so familiar, man.
6'11" guy or 7 foot next to Greg Slaughter pero rarely got minutes. You guys just can look it up. Go ahead with your point. I'm just saying na just because you're tall doesn't mean you have to play basketball. You'll be a great middle blocker sa volleyball
Yeah, hey
if you
man,
really want.
go replace Del. I know not Del Palomata. Go replace is it still Kim Malabunga? It's still Kim
Yeah.
Malabunga. Yeah, still Kim.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, volleyball lore.
Anyway, back to CJ Lane.
Yeah, guy, he's a good player. He is not. He should be doing Balti type shit.
But he's
In
not. Yun nga
PBL,
eh.
but he's not. Kaya nga hindi siya pang number one. Hindi
Mm-mm.
siya pang number one. Kasi if he was doing Balti level stuff in the MPBL, edi sana top 2, top 3 siya. Pero because he's
Yeah,
not,
fine. If Balti level, if Balti level,
if
fine.
Balti level. Pero now he's not. Mga 8 to 10.
Yeah,
8
yun
to
nga. So, he's, yeah, 8 to 10. It's
8 to
good.
11 gram.
8 to, it stops
Yeah.
there.
Hey,
And
hey, hey, hey.
and he's Filipino-American. That's
Who's
all
number
Coach Tim needs to
speaking
know.
who's speaking 8?
Yes!
San
Let me
Miguel.
9
open
is
our
San
list. Let me
Miguel.
open.
8
Yeah.
is
Um,
Yeah.
Converge.
Yeah.
8 Converge will
They
not
don't
get
need
CJ
him.
Lane. Yeah. I don't think
It's a
Converge
it.
will not get
battle
CJ Lane.
it's a battle between Rain or Shine and Ginebra who both need bigs at
Yeah,
this point.
Don't you think
and
Rain or Shine is kind of, ano na, may konting trauma na kay Kit Datu? They're gonna try another guy in CJ Lane. You want
man,
two Kit Datus in your team?
Kid Dato isn't that bad. He just hasn't been
Yeah.
great, if you ask me. But
I think they
he's
had
not.
expectations kay Kit Datu, no? I think they had like different Pero at least
Yeah,
ginagamit pa rin siya. 15 minutes a game, no?
at least
Mga ganun.
naglalaro nga siya. Yung isa nga,
At
di
least
naglaro.
nagpapalaro pa. Yuso di. Siguro bigay pa.
Yung isa, di naman naglaro, di ba? Like,
Nakita pa natin sa stands, no? Nung tayong
yeah,
tatlo magkakasama.
yeah, nauna pa nga si Christian
Oh my
Porter naglaro.
God, this guy with his
Mm.
agendas, man.
Hey man, all people have agendas.
Okay, Nico, I have a question. If
Yeah.
G2 gets drafted number 4, and
Mm.
then you get it as a number 5 position is CJ Lane and
Okay.
Will, who are you getting?
Go Zoom.
Awesome.
I really am not high on CJ, especially from things I've heard when he was in the UAAP. To what I'm seeing now, I still pick Will.
Okay, Graham, your turn. If Ginebra had to pick one player to revolve around their team for the next 8 years, is it Japit Aguilar or CJ Lane?
8 years, CJ Lane.
See,
Japet Aguilar in 8 years will be how old?
I don't know. Fine, let's
Bro,
5 years. Five
Actually,
years.
I mean, like,
brother.
gets ko naman yung point ni Graham of Japet
Yeah.
Aguilar in 8 years would, I don't
Five
think,
I'm
years.
telling you, brother, when I started watching Ginebra, my hairline is nandito. I watch a lot of Japet Aguilar. Napunta dito. Just imagine in the next 8 years, brother. Ba-
you think he's still playing the next 8 years? I feel like Japet has 3 years
Five.
max.
5 years. 5 years.
Yeah, 3 to 5 is Japet
I,
max.
you
CJ
still want to
Lane.
watch Japet for the next 5 years?
But it's not if
Mario?
I don't want to watch him for the next one. But it's if he's gonna be playing. There's a difference. There's a difference, man. Where did this
My
guy?
God. My God.
There's a
Don't let
difference.
don't let Peter Aguilar see us at the venue, Mario.
Don't let
Batoy tayo
Peter
na
Aguilar.
upuan yan.
Brother, he's a good basketball player, but everybody, come on,
He was.
we're not the only podcast, we're not the only people, we're not the only life form who knows that he hasn't had the best last 1 to 2 years. So my question is, if you have the chance to draft CJ Lane, if you're Ginebra, do you do it or do you just continue with Japet and hope next year Mike
I
Phillips?
feel like it stops with Ginebra. I feel like Ginebra will get him.
Ako no. Ako no. Kasi I can roll the dice still with Isaac Go. Hope against hope that he gets healthy. And then next year maybe more names will come up. Di ba? That's why I wasn't big on Ladis Tepalam
Oh, please.
going to Ginebra. That's why I picked Sahonya, di ba?
Okay.
But
Akala ko,
yeah,
Actually, yeah,
because
yeah, he had
because if
Sahonya.
Isaac
Yeah.
Go, if Isaac Go gets better, then you know, why settle for a guy na poor man's version of old Japet Aguilar, di ba?
what do you mean by gets better, by the way? Like health-wise, skill-wise?
Healthier is what I
Okay.
mean.
Okay. Yeah, I agree. Because I think the major problem with Ginebra now is, I don't know how this became a Ginebra thing, but
Oo, okay, pwede bang
It's
sumusobra
always a
na kayo, ah?
Ginebra thing, brother. It's always
hey man, not my fault. I saw the red. You know, like a bull? But like, dude, the thing with Ginebra now is it's just at five position and at four position na walang shooting eh. I think Coach Tim
Troy
would
is a shooter.
who?
Troy.
Troy is not a shooter. Stop,
He's not
stop.
a shooter. He's not a
Graham,
shooter.
come on, man. Come on,
He
man.
he will
He can
shoot it
shoot.
just to
He
make
can
people
shoot.
honest, just to give it some space inside, but he's not.
He can shoot, but he's not a shooter. There's a vast difference, brother.
Oh,
So,
before we make it a Ginebra pod, guys, we're trying to make it inclusive. This is a What If PBA podcast.
mga pala, mga pala. Yeah, CJ Lane, I think around the 7 to 12 range. First
Okay.
round, pero bottom of the first round.
Okay.
Same. Bottom of the first one.
Um, DJ Fenner. DJ Fenner, if he
Ayun po.
we saw him in SGA, Mario, up close in practice, and of course we watched the games. Naging ano pa nga si Mario, guest natin sa Smart. Thank you Smart Sports, by the way, kay Mario. Um, where do I have DJ
They never
Fenner?
asked for me again. They were like, oh damn, this dude's stupid. Never talked to
I
me
feel
again.
like DJ Fenner 3 to 5. 2 to 5. 2 to 5, DJ Fenner. I will have one over DJ Fenner.
I have Juan over DJ Fenner. I have Gio over DJ Fenner.
Huh? G over DJ Fenner.
Brother, he's big, man.
Because
He's
of the height.
big.
But
Because of the
DJ
height.
Fenner's a 6'6" point guard.
And Gio Chu is a 6'11" center. Same
Okay.
thing. I know DJ Fenner is you know who else was a 6'7" um shooting guard? Roosevelt Adams. You know what they turned him into?
Ginawa siyang center.
Ginawa na center yan, man.
Ginawa siyang center.
Terra Firma yun, di ba?
Infamous yun eh. Yeah. Who else?
I thought he
Sino
was
pa ba?
next. I thought he was next, not gonna lie. I
What, the
had
next center? The
Dude,
next
I thought he
great
was
big.
the next best thing, man. I thought he was the next best thing. I
Ano
was
ba yung
waiting.
projection ng time na yun kay Roosevelt? Like, what
Bro,
were
KD
people
na,
saying nung time na yun? Ano yung
KD siya.
ine-expect?
Oo, parang ganun.
Parang KD siya, man. That's how they
Yun
thought
yung
it was gonna be.
KD of the PBA. Like, ganun yung ine-expect nila na...
Oh,
Ano?
Who was the coach of Terra Firma when they converted him to a
Was
center?
it
I
John
don't know.
Cardell? Si Cardell.
Oh.
Coach John
Was it
Cardell.
John... Well, I don't know.
I don't
Check.
know.
genuine
Because
question,
John Cardell... Yeah, go.
Graham. If Tim Cono's coaching Terra Firma, do
Hey, why
you
are we Tim Cone again?
No, I'm
No,
just
no, no.
curious. I'm just curious.
Just
Because Tim
hypothetical.
believes he's the best coach of all time, so I want to know if Tim Cohn was coaching Terra Firma, do you think there's gonna be a better team, or is it just a
Yeah,
lack of talent?
yeah. Brother, remember yung ano, yung sila kahilig, sila Wami Chongson? Yung that
Yeah,
I
Terra
we were
Firma
fans.
team?
We were Terra Firma fans
Yeah.
nung time na yun.
Give that lineup to Tim Cone and he'll do wonders. That's
The
all I'm saying.
Barangay Ginebra Jeep, no? Yeah.
Yeah,
The Barangay Nebra Jeep and Yoami na San
that's
Miguel.
ano. That's my answer to
Yeah.
that. But yeah,
Anyway,
I agree.
Yeah,
Parang
yeah, yeah.
si Roosevelt Adams was the ano di ba? Calvin Octana na mas magaling
Sayang yun.
mag-English, something
yeah,
like that.
brother.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's literally him. That is literally
Yeah.
him.
Tapos ginawa
Calvin
sentro.
Octa.
Yeah, that's a
So
problem.
he would
So
have been Calvin. Could be a much better Calvin if he
Penner?
was used properly. No, 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 I'm
I
talking
don't think
about
he would have been a
Adam?
much
Roosevelt.
better Calvin. I think he would have just
Uh,
been at the level
Sorry,
of
let's go
Calvin.
back to Fenner. Napunta tayo kay
Yeah.
Roosevelt
We're back to
Adams.
Fenner, man. 3 to 4 to 6.
4 to
Four,
6.
yeah.
You don't think he's a top 3
Maybe
talent?
three. Maybe three. Um, I think you pick Juan over him. I
Okay,
think
yeah. Ako, one.
Gio over him. And then you can make an argument of picking Gozum over him or
ako
who.
yung
Oh, Fenner ako over Gozum. Actually,
Yeah,
depends sa team eh.
I'm
Depends
also
sa team eh. Iba rin talaga.
depends on the
Depende
team eh.
talaga
Yun
eh.
yung sabi ko, man. Kasi kung
kasi
nilagay mo si Fenner sa who's third? Lagay mo siya sa
no,
Blackwater.
no, no, it's not Backwater. I think it's is it Northport in picking third
What's Blackwater? It's
or fourth?
Blackwater.
I
Third,
forgot.
fourth.
No, no, yeah, third yung Blackwater tama.
Yeah,
You're right,
fourth
you're
is
right.
Northport. He is a 6'6" point guard. Pero honestly, man, he doesn't shoot the ball that well, I would say. Or maybe may struggle lang nung SGA tournament mismo. Pero I would say around 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Maybe 3 to 5. 3 to 5
Would you rather
probably.
have him than Brickman? Si
I
Fenner?
would rather have depends on what you need, man.
Yeah,
I
Laging babalik
if
dun eh, no? Laging
you're
babalik eh.
Blackwater, if you're
depends on
Blackwater, if
what you
Gio
need.
is not available, diba? If Phoenix picks Gio, would you rather have
Di
him
Brickman ka
than
pa rin, brother.
Brickman?
Kung
What?
kung Blackwater, Brickman kasi may Bearfield ka naman
May
eh.
Bearfield ka. About Northport?
Pero kung Northport,
Yeah, Fenner.
Fener. Kasi they have nobody who can really score the ball aside from Munzon at that 1-2 position, di ba? Si
Mm.
Okay.
Brickman kasi is more of a Chris Paul type of player if you ask me. Yung
Yeah.
he won't really ask to shoot the ball, but if he needs to, he will. Alam mo yun? Yung mga ganyan tao. So, yeah,
Three
three
to
to
five.
six. 3 to
Mga
5,
For
3 to
me,
ganyan
5.
three to
tao.
five. 3 to 5. Because Magnolia won't pick him at 6 then. I think. Ay, actually, you know what? Fenner in Magnolia, I
Pwede
won't
yun.
like it, but it's good. Yeah.
I won't like it.
Fenner,
To Magnolia,
Pwede.
di ba?
Pwede. I won't hate it. I won't hate it. Iba
I
kasi
won't
din,
like it, but
when have we ever seen a 6'6" point guard in the PBA actually play like a
yun
6'6"?
nga, di ba?
Yun yung problema. Kasi lahat naman ng, you can be 6'8" if you want, and
mm.
they'll turn you into a center.
Look at Joe Devance.
Yeah. They made Joe Defense defend RHJ, which is criminal, man.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
And
absolutely
that was an
criminal.
injured Joe Devance, by the way. That was an injured Joe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he
But
stopped
God,
him for
these
one game,
guys.
and then RHJ was like, "Oh nga pala."
Anyway,
Yeah, so
anyway.
that's just how I see it. DJ like 3-5, 3 to 5.
Mm. Last one, QMB.
Top pick.
First
I'll do
pick.
it.
First pick ako. First pick ako kay QMB. I gotta give it to Q. 6'10", 7'3" wingspan. Uh, can try and shoot the three. He actually made one against
Mm.
Gilas, that Macau Black Bears. He's developing that shot, trying to develop that shot. And if you're Terra Firma, you gotta get that guy. Kasi siseryosohin niya na yung gear na to, di ba? Sabi rin ni Coach ano, Ronald eh. So, sabi ni Coach Ron, you gotta take it seriously. So, you take that first step by getting QMB before the sale of your franchise.
Yeah, I undoubtedly the only person who I believe might, if he declares at the same time with Q, is Mike Phillips. Because I think you might take Mike over QMB if you're Terra Firma. Pero in a scenario where it's not Mike nakalaban niya, he's better than Gio. That's what I'm fairly certain with. Yeah, everybody knows who QMB is, man. He's a six whatever center, can score the ball, defends well, rebounds well,
A
and
dog.
a dog. Yeah, a dog. Not in the bad way. Not in a,
Ah,
but yeah, he's a fine pick at number one.
Adug.
yeah.
Okay, Nick. World. What happens is NLEX somehow, some way has the choice between QMB, Mike Phillips, and Gio Chu. Who are you picking?
Oh, automatically you gotta remove Gio there, so I'm gonna be choosing between QMB and Mike.
How does
Oh,
NLEX do this, man? Like, bakit sila
This
lagi
is
nabibiyaan?
this is the scenario while Nico's asleep, yung dreams niya. Tapos
Q?
pagising niya iba na. Pagising niya iba na.
I don't
Well, I'll
understand.
choose
Paano mo...
Q over Mike. I'll still choose Q over Mike right
Q
now.
over
You
Mike. Yeah,
can
Q
teach
over.
6'11", 7'3" wingspan na tumitira na sa labas eh. Kasi
Tira lang. Tumitira.
pumasok na, may pumasok naman na isa.
Tumitira din ako sa labas pare.
Oy, oy, Grem, gusto ko lang dagdag to. Guys, hindi to sinasabi si Mario sa PBS. Sinasabi ko lang sa papawis namin. Si Mario pag uminit sa tres, dire-diretso actually.
Yeah.
He's very streaky. Sa
If I
papawis
make,
ah.
it's either I go 4 for 7 on a day or I go 1 for 16. There's no
Yeah.
in between, brother. There is no in between.
You just
But
described Draymond Green, brother, and that's
hey,
fine.
man, I don't do anything like him if I'm being honest with you. But
That's true.
I don't
That's
defend
true.
well. I don't try. I just do that. But yeah,
You don't punch teammates.
I don't punch team well. I have played a bit drunk before though, but that's for another time.
Huh?
Yeah.
Um,
Hey, QMB, I do you think he'll declare for next year? No. Still no. It's
as long
the
as
Hmm.
is it because may opportunities abroad or is it because of that stupid ban that they implemented?
first of all, even if he tries to,
Gilas na siya eh. Di naman niya
apply,
kailangan maglaro dito eh.
Okay.
brother, kaya naman yun eh. Tapos ano naman yun, may slot naman yun sa Macau Black Bears. May slot
The
naman yun sa
Macau Black Bears.
Destination Macau Black Bears, man. No, not really a
By
worry.
the way, I
No.
was talking to someone sa Araneta the other day. Because
Hmm.
PBL, 'di ba? Sabi niya, bakit kasi hindi na lang mag-imbita ng ibang team kagaya ng ginawa dati sa Bay Area. 'Di ba? Why did the PBL? Ay, hindi nag-invite pala sila yung Hong Kong what was that?
Hong
Last
Kong Eastern.
Eastern, 'di ba? Na wala rin naman. Wala rin naman nangyari.
Yeah.
No, it just occurred to me. Baka yung Macau Black Bears nga yung susunod. But
Okay, now that I'm
um
interested in the topic of another thing, what franchises can actually be placed in the PBA?
no, for
What
me SM.
franchises? Wait, bawal bang competing, ano? Bawal bang competing?
Yeah,
Like
Let's just say
Globe.
na
bawal.
pwede. Let's
You
say
can
na
have
pwede.
Globe?
Ba I
Yeah,
think
alam kong
bawal
bawal.
kasi yung alam mo yung Magnolia, 'di ba dati Star Hotshots 'yan? Yung Chooks to go ata is gusto pumasok. Ginawa lang Magnolia manok
Ah,
para
yeah. I
'di
remember
ba?
that. Yeah.
So, I think bawal.
Daming
Which
bawal,
first
no?
of all
Oo.
is,
Ang ganda sana kaya ng Globe versus Smart na, ano,
'di ba
na telecom
Pabagalan
battle.
pabagalan na internet, 'di ba?
Wait lang, bakit Converge pwede?
Because
Wala
sila
akong
SIM card kasi yung TNT.
kasi
Hindi naman sila
Mm.
yung
Okay, that makes
internet.
sense. Yeah, Converge is just internet, yeah.
why
Pero
is
bakit yung
SMC and NLEX allowed?
Oh, I'm sorry, what?
Why
what?
SMB and NLEX?
What do you mean? What's the relevance between the two?
Isn't SMC the one who built the roads?
Brother, it's not what? They're not competing products, brother.
Oh, really?
SMB is a beer. NLEX is a
Ah,
road. What this
yun
guy?
yun.
Tama nga naman, tama nga naman. Yung mga agenda mo na naman, ah.
Alam mo kung saan ako curious? Doon sa San Miguel tsaka sa Ginebra. Kasi parehong
Yung isa
alak yan
kasi,
di ba?
beer. Yung isa beer, yung isa gin bilog lang daw yun. Yung isa hard, yung isa beer lang.
Well, that's true. Tapos masarap pulutan yung manok. No, my
Oh,
bad.
literal. Literal.
Yung Magnolia, masarap pulutan lagi. No, sorry.
Oh,
No, di ba?
Pero
Pero
we
I
do
think,
buy Magnolia chicken at home. Yeah, anyway, sorry, we're going off topic.
brother ako
what is Blackwater?
SM, I think. SM. Wala akong
Pabango.
kalaban SM.
Blackwaters pabango.
Blackwaters pabango.
Black water is pabango? What pabango is that? I've never heard of that pabango. Is it good?
Nasasell siya sa mga Save More, yung mga ganun. Pang
Yeah,
ano
yung mga
siya, pag
ganun.
Save
It's like
More.
para siyang
Alam mo
ano,
yung bench na
axe.
ginagamit natin ng bata?
Yeah,
Yung the
yeah, yeah.
blue, mga ganun. Hey
It's not
man, bet the
the
bench could have make a PBA team.
Why are there no
brother,
clothing
brother,
brands?
I'm serious with SM. I'm serious with SM because
They could.
they
Wala
ano, 'di
silang
ba?
kalaban. Yeah.
Wala silang
SM could.
kalaban. Ano papasok? Isitan or ano?
Pero the
Or
C's know how to make a good investment. They're like, tayo ba
Why
dito?
not Jollibee?
yeah, yun nga. What?
Wala
Why
rin
not Jollibee?
Jollibee. May kakilala ko, yun ang username.
Yeah.
Hey!
Me too.
Hey!
I know a few.
Jollibee. No,
Jolly.
it's not
Ano
Jollibee
tawag?
cute.
sucks.
Ano tawag? Jollibee Stingers, no? The
Oh,
Jollibee
fire
Red
yung Jollibee
Stingers.
Stingers,
Bro,
brother.
Red Stingers.
Yeah,
Follow yung Joll. I like Jollibee Stingers,
Red
bro.
Stingers, Honey Stingers.
Ano ba
yeah,
mo yung
Uh,
ano? Why not
yeah.
Shopee? Lazada?
Mm.
the Shopee Taskmasters. Oh,
Oh, or like the ano, like
bye.
yeah, Shopee or Lazada or
But yeah,
since
anyway, are we done with ano? Si
yeah,
QMB? I
yeah,
think
sorry.
I think we all have QMB. Sorry. We all have QMB. Ito
Why
nangyayari
not
guys the
ano?
days before the draft. It's 6 days before the draft. So we will have our
Yes. Sa
reactions. Let's
MOA
have
to,
our
'di
draft
ba? Sa
grade, boys.
MOA.
Draft grade. Yes, Moa. We can do
Okay.
draft grade content. Basta ano tayo? Let's
what if we go? What if we go?
is
It's
this
like
on Sunday?
Sunday,
What
no. No,
time?
I have V-League on
Let's just
Sunday. I have
watch online. Let's
volleyball
just
on
watch
Sunday.
online. It's
Just not John. I'll
natin
baka
online.
but hey,
makabalik ng
you know
time.
what? I think 3 to 4 teams dagdag mo sa PBA. That'll be nice.
Yeah. Get yung interest talaga.
Or
But
Grab! Why not Grab? Is
Yeah.
it Grab
yeah,
Filipino?
marami no. They're based outside.
Oh, really?
Indonesia,
Ah,
Malaysia ata. Please, guys, yung mga nasa comments, please let us know anong country si Grab. But it's
parang
definitely not the
oo.
Philippines. Malaysia,
Oh, it's
Indonesia,
South,
parang ganun.
something like that. That's right, oo nga, no? The 3 to 4 teams, just that, kunin nyo sa Encho Serrano sa MPBL because they deserve a spot in the
That
PBA, di
man
ba?
shouldn't be in the MPBL, man.
That's
That
right.
man
Ildefonso should be in the MPBL.
Ildefon, no, Ildefon
Ah?
should be in the
No,
MPBL.
PBA dapat si Dave. Dave is good
Yeah,
for
yun
the
nga, it
PBA.
should not be in the MPBL.
Okay.
Should
Siya mo should
should
be eh.
I should not be in the
Freudian
Yeah.
slip ni Grem. I'm sorry.
should be there.
Okay guys, pag nagka 2K26 na kayo, let us know. We're gonna we're gonna make my players. So yung mga magto
Mhm.
2K26 dyan sa PS5, who knows, right? We might play with you guys in the future. Let's see if we could build a rec team.
Mhm.
Increase ng points natin and players. Kasi it's always nice to play with people at least you're familiar with, no? So at least I got these two.
Baka magpakita na yung true colors namin ni Grema.
Oh yeah. The
Wala magre-record ng
language.
conversations natin ha kapag
No,
naglalaro tayo ng
no
NBA 2K
filter,
guys.
brother. No filter.
Baka ma-cancel
Okay.
yung ako bigla.
All right. So guys, I think those are our what ifs, BBA what ifs. Let us know
By the way,
saan
why didn't we talk about si Renza Bando?
he already has a team. He's
Korea, bro.
he's already with
Ah,
Korea.
okay.
He's signed.
The other dudes are just not here. They
Yeah.
just chose not
Renz
to.
is signed. He's with Anyang. Kung free agent pa si Renz, di-discuss natin.
Yeah. And like
Yeah.
the other.
But he had the option, di ba? Parang umiingay pa nga yung pangalan niya sa draft. Before...
There was a point nga na ang daming rumors. Ano ba yun?
Oo,
Renz
di ba may
Abando to
naka-
Memphis.
may naka-
Yung
may
mga fake news na yun.
si
Alam mo yun?
Jamoran. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Brother, please, man.
Tapos nagtagalog si Jamoran, di ba?
Nagtagalog si Jamoran. Si DeMar DeRozan. Kunin natin to, Brad. Sabi ko, kunin ba?
Nung time na umiinit si KQ sa FIBA Asia Cup, tapos yung
Si DeMar
Zach Lavine, pati si DeMar
DeMar.
DeRozan, why didn't we pick up this Kevin Kiambao?
Yung isa nakakatawa, par. Ba't wala to sa atin?
like, it's so stupid.
The best yung
It's so
comments
funny.
daw. Wow, grabe. Pati si DeRozan talaga.
Tapos
Napabilib na sa atin kay
yung mga nakikita mo mag-share, yung mga alam mo dapat nakahiwalay yung Facebook. Ganun.
Oo, man.
Anyway,
My
yun lang
God.
naman guys. Thank you for watching. This is the...
Grab,
before...
yung mga nag-share, yung mga, tignan nyo, pati NBA, alam na.
Tapos sila yung mga naniniwalang race yung dahilan kaya walang Pilipino sa NBA.
God. Okay,
Oh my
I think
God.
we have reached our quota, boys, no? For those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating. It really helps us. We appreciate the increase of the viewership on Spotify. On YouTube, like, comment, subscribe as always. Instagram _6man podcast. Nico, Mario, and Graham. See you all next time. See you guys.
Adios amigos, James Yap over Mark Kagiwa all day.